Hi again, welcome to Game App Studio YouTube channel. Today we are going to create a smooth camera following script for 2D games. Here we have already created a 2D platformer game. Let's see. Here we see our player is jumping on the platform but camera is still. Let's create a new script. Let's say camera controller. Create a transform variable for our player. Create a new method setPosition that will set camera position. Create a offset variable of type vector3 that will hold camera offset from player transform. In setPosition method, set transform position to player position added to offset. Then call setPosition method in update method. Add camera controller to main camera game object. Assign player game object to main camera's camera controller script in ball transform field. Let's play and see. Yeah, it's working but background is not good like that, let's fix it. I'll set background as child of main camera game object so it always stays in camera view. Yeah, it looks better now but our camera is sticking to player, we want it to follow player smoothly, let's do it. In setPosition function, create a new variable named desired position of type vector3 that will hold value of position that we want our camera to follow, that will be player's position plus camera offset. Create another vector3 variable named smooth position that lerps between current position and desired position smoothly. For this we need a smooth speed variable type of float that tells the script how much to lerp. Set transform.position to smooth position. Set camera controller's smooth speed variable to 0.1 and hit play. Now our camera is following our player but we are having a jerky movement. It's because we used update method, instead we will use fixed updated method because our player is controlled by physics engine and physics functions are called in fixed update. Yeah, we fixed it, no more jerky movement. Let me set my main camera to a little left. Try changing smooth speed variable to get best results for you. Lesser the smooth speed the more time camera will take to match player's position. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.